For lesson 4, we're going to focus on writing expressions. Our focus objective will be to write verbal phrases as simple algebraic expressions. So our essential question will be, how is it helpful to write numbers in different ways? We'll be focusing on writing phrases as algebraic expressions and writing two-step expressions. So our first example of a written expression says Alabama has 4 fewer airports than Missouri. So looking for our key vocabulary word that will tell us which operation to use, I would underline fewer. Now looking at the different operation options, there's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Alabama has 4 fewer airports than Missouri. Fewer is our keyword, and it tells me that we're going to use the operation of subtraction. Our next example says California has 3 times as many airports as Georgia. So looking back at our last lesson when we are creating variables, we still need to know what operation to use as our variable. We don't know how many airports California has or Georgia, but we know that California has 3 times as many airports as Georgia. So when I look for my key vocabulary word, I'm going to underline 3 times. I can use adding, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Now, when I hear 3 times, I know that that's multiplication. But when we get into solving, we're going to have to realize that using the inverse relationship of multiplication, which is division, we'll be using division to cancel out and solve the problem. To give us more insight on writing verbal phrases as algebraic expressions, follow these steps below. And in the second step, defining the variable, choose a variable and decide what it represents. So when you have the word describing the situation, use only the most important words. For example, when we did 3 times or fewer. Now the variable, choosing a variable to represent the unknown quantity. What is it that we do not know the exact amount on? And that variable examples could be X, Y, Z, A, any letter that you choose. Now the expression is to translate your verbal phrase into an algebraic expression using an operation that you can solve. Let's look at some examples. It's telling us to write each phrase as an algebraic expression. The first phrase says $8 more than Ryan earned. So this would be our wording. Now if we look at what the variable, let's use the variable D to represent the number of dollars Ryan earned. So to model it, we're going to say that Ryan's earnings were D. And $8 more than Ryan earned would be D plus 8. $8 more than what Ryan earned. So the expression is D plus 8. Another example phrase says $10 less than the original price. So again, our words for the phrase $10 less than the original price. Let's create the variable P to represent the original price because it's the unknown. Now, if I look for my key word phrase is $10 less than. So to model that, the original price is represented as P. So if the original price is represented as P, then P minus 10 from the verbal phrase would make my expression P minus 10, which gives me the operation less than to solve our answer. All right, go ahead and head on to Seesaw and try a few practice problems yourself.